Introducing Youngevity's first truly performance shake. Youngevity Fit Shake is all natural, complete with 25 grams of lean muscle-building, gut-friendly protein per serving. With a delicious banana cream flavor, Fit Shake uses a specialized blend of proteins, including bone broth protein that maintains muscle, helps to repair joints, and builds connective tissue. At only 150 calories per serving, it's naturally loaded with bone-building minerals and live probiotics for gut health. Plus, we've added 1,000 IUs of highly bioavailable fermented vitamin D for neuro and bone health, and protein-digesting enzymes to better support digestion and absorption. Youngevity Fit Shake, the perfect breakfast or midday snack to kickstart your body, burn fat, and support your muscle, bone, and connective tissue health. Speak with your Youngevity distributor to learn more.